One thing about the baller lifestyle of the wealthy is the money in the bank is what backs the lifestyle. Before the boats came a solid wealth portfolio, and your fastest route to wealth is only to spend what you need to. For this reason, we compiled a list of the 15 things you're possibly overspending on, so you can hold on to more of your moolah. Before we get into it, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you haven't, so we can keep providing quality content for free across the Alux-verse. Now with that out of the way, why wait any longer? Let's dive in. Number 1. The latest version of products. The reason most people upgrade is because great marketing campaigns tell them they need the latest product tweaks. Yet, we all know that the launch prices are inflated and quickly drop. Wait until the product has been on the market for a while and will cost less. What you'll already know from our old money video is that the real wealthy only upgrade when they have to. So why not adopt the billionaire mindset now for your future status? Number 2. Textbooks. Textbooks aren't exactly a choice expense, but they are really expensive. Unless you're a highlighter addict, then you don't need a brand new or paper version. Many textbooks are distributed online for free or much less in digital format. Don't forget to sell your textbooks once you're done. Very few of them are needed for future reference, especially in your undergrad years. Number 3. Weddings, baby showers, gender reveals, stork party, etc. Oh wow, has social media fanned the hype of these events? These types of parties have become big business, taking advantage of anyone wanting to one-up their peers with more elaborate proposals, showers, and gender reveal spectacles. The truth is, it does nothing to secure your marriage or determine your baby's future. What can help is money in the bank. Number 4. Owning and driving a car. It's been drilled into us that owning a car is mandatory to arrive as a certain status. That's debatable, but what is certain is that from the first mile, your car is costing you more than you realize. It's important for future billionaires to keep their eye on the prize. Putting $1,000 a month or more toward a car that doesn't offer any returns isn't efficient spending. Number 5. University education. Like car owning, another status symbol we've been sold on is a university education. At Alux, you know we believe there are many paths to the top, and university is only one way to get the knowledge you need. In fact, we summarized it for you in the top 10 most useful online courses that are free. And remember to give this video a like so we know it helped you. It really encourages us in our everyday mission of creating quality content for you. Number 6. On-the-go drinks. Bottled water and takeaway coffees are two of the most overpriced everyday spending habits of many people. Saving alone won't make you rich, however, how you use your money will. Fill up a reusable water bottle and make coffee at home or at the office, and put that savings of $1,000 a year into your wealth portfolio. Number 7. Unnecessary life insurance. Life insurance is a grudge purchase, but necessary if you have lots of loans or dependents. Buying just what you need at that time of life is the work of a good financial manager. If your other policies will cover your home loan so your family is fine, then you can lower your monthly life insurance. If your family circumstances change or children graduate or leave home, you should then reassess your needs. Shop around. Life insurance won't buy you happiness, but it will buy you some peace of mind. Number 8. Cleaning products. Cleaning products have become so oversimplified in packaging that you don't even have to bother measuring them, just use a pod. Every surface of your home has a specially formulated product that adds to the lily-of-the-valley lemon and linen fresh mix of scents in your home. The truth is, you're being duped. Most of the ingredients are the same, and if you boil it down to the common denominator, which is probably ammonia, furniture wax, or bleach, you'll find you're completely overspending and overcomplicating. And once you're done decluttering and saving money under your kitchen sink, then take a walk on over to your bathroom cabinets, because we have something to talk about there in a bit. Number 9. Brand name medicines. Don't get suckered into the big marketing budgets of big-name pharmaceuticals. Often all you're paying for is their bigger marketing budget. There's no quality difference in the product. Always ask your pharmacists what generic medicine is available. If you need something for a symptom, instead of asking for a drug by name, ask the pharmacist for a recommendation for the symptom. Let them offer you all of the options available. They'll help you understand if there are any known side effects. After all, they're the experts. Number 10. Paid apps. Did you sign up for a free trial, didn't use the app, but forgot to unsubscribe and now you're paying for it monthly? Or if you use a paid app, are you certain there isn't an app out there that doesn't have the same functions and is free? What cost a premium last year is often freely available this year. Number 11. Groceries. Grocery shopping is a minefield for falling victim to overspending. If you can get in and out of a store with only what you went in for, then you're a shopping ninja. Shopping carts, placing big brands at eye level, and nostalgia are all tactics to help you part with your money. You can find out more in our video, 15 Sneaky Strategies Companies Use to Get You to Spend More Money. Now, onto that bathroom cabinet situation I mentioned. Number 12. Personal care products for every unique part of you. There was a time not too long ago where there were just 2 products that kept people clean from head to toe. This wonder product did the work of every specialized product you have cluttering up your bathroom. And what is this wonder product? Well, the good old-fashioned face cloth and soap. Follow this up with a lather of any moisturizer and you'll have most of your bases covered. Wrinkle-free skin starts with sunscreen and ends with what you put into your body, like lots of water, not with eye cream that you put onto your already established wrinkles. Number 13. Extended warranties. Don't get conned into adding on the $40 warranty extension when you buy electronics or appliances. Check to see if it's worth it in the first place. If you have insurance, you're mostly covered, and if it breaks in the first 6 to 12 months, it should be covered under the usual standard warranty. We always recommend insurance to protect items you can't afford to just replace. You could also check in with your credit card provider to see what warranties they have when using their card for purchase. Number 14. Pets. Designer pets are one thing that's easy to splurge on. While breed lovers want you to believe that this assures you a certain personality type, that's not a guarantee they can give. Breeding when it's done improperly is also cruel and takes the opportunity away from an existing shelter pet who will love and adore you just as much as that designer labradoodle. Adopting fees cost very little in comparison to mail-order dogs, and you can even find the breed you want. Once you have your pet, it's tempting to buy into all the pet accessory hype, but really, a bowl is a bowl, a bed is a bed, and keeping your pet fed, warm, and dry doesn't need to follow a color scheme. They're just happy when you're happy. Number 15. Kindle Books. Ebooks are expensive, but they don't need to be, and you don't need to have a Kindle to read books designed for the device. The Kindle app is available for download on your PC or phone. Then you can do a simple search for free Kindle books, and you'll see how many there are at your fingertips. And with all this money saving you'll be doing, then you can afford to relax and read a book for the afternoon. So, what are you most guilty of overspending on? Come on, be honest and join the conversation. We aim to personally reply to the first 50 comments, so what are you waiting for? Share your guilty secrets with us in the comments below. Now, you stuck with us until the end. What does that mean? Your bonus, of course. Is saving actually costing you? Well, if you automatically see buy one get one free and snap up the special, or see a price drop while scrolling Amazon and purchase right away, then you could have just overspent. These are all ways to create a buyer's frenzy that make you jump at a deal without checking the facts out first. Unless you are first sure what the normal price is for an item and it is lower, and secondly that you need the item, then don't buy into that temptation. Thanks for watching, Aluxers. We'll chat with you again tomorrow.